right, Sunday on call, call number 2 in beautiful Placerville, California. She's a popper, a 40 and a 7.5. All right, there's my 40/7.5, got out of the truck. Let's test it. Okay, we're on microfarads. 40, 7.489. Good enough for me on a Sunday. Made a little bracket for it. We're rocking and rolling. I bet this is an over-under. R22, 2009. Fired up. Third call it a day. We've got a 70/7.5 and we are at 5. Getting there.
You can show those to your grandchildren.
Yeah. We've got a blown capacitor. This one's a 35.
You can tell right there.
Yeah, there's that motor. All right, I'm gonna go get a temperature split.
A little rickety, but...
Wow, he's 16.
Yeah.
We've got a 50/5. It does look like it's protruding a little bit. Let's test it. All right, there's our 50. We're on our Herm and Common, and we're at 0. We've also got an old hard start in here, so it's an older unit, old York. Let's see if she's alive. Let's fire this puppy up. All right, 21 degrees. Look at that, all that dirt was stuck in the drain. All right, so the plan is we're gonna PVC this whole thing with a clean out right here. Call number 7, tripped wet switch, water in the pan. Okay, so ISO pads were causing this coil to become uneven. So I'm gonna pipe that into that, but I'm gonna come back in a day or two to do that.